Hi all, today we'll discuss about SQL. So what all are the questions interviewer will ask regarding this SQL? So we have a multiple structured query languages are there. There are different type of SQL commands are there. What all are those? So these all is DDL is a data definitions schema in database. Another is DML, this manipulations, and DCL is used for the access right data control for the data present in the DB. TCL is a transaction happening, and DQL is a data retrieving. So in DDL we have a create, drop, alter, truncate will be there. DML insert, delete, update, and DCL will have a grant or invoke, revoke, and TCL is a commit, rollback, and DQL is a select. So these all are the SQL commands which need to be interviewer will ask what all are the SQL command and what is the use of that. So we have a create database. So these all are the query. If you want to create a database, then create database name. Use database, then use the database name. Create tables. So like that we have to create a table, create table, and then all the columns which need to be and what will be the size and what all are the data types and all. So insert into the table. If you want to insert the details in that particular tables, then we have a display the record. So if you want to display, then select particular stars, or we have a particular columns details and all. Add new columns, add new columns in the table. So how we will alter the tables, add the value in the newly added column. So how we will update that. So by using update command we will do that. And then if you want to delete, then we have a delete command will be there, alters, drop. And if you want to delete, then particular row or particular records, then we have a deletes by using drops and all. And then if you are doing some all the records and all, then we have a delete tables also is there. Change the data type. If you want to change the data type, we need to alter. So these all are the ways we have to create database. We need to use the database. We have to create the tables. We have to update the tables. We have to view this. If you want to view this, then we have a view. If you have to view the particular rows, particular columns, then this will be there. If you want to save those tables into the another tables, then we have also this commands are there which have to insert into the table. And then like command, like some of the filters and all. If you want pattern matchings and all, in that cases we will go for the like command. If you have multiples orders and all, then we have a in command will be there. Then we have a search equals, not null, null, between, counts, and sum. So these all are which we are writing the query we will use for this. Count the month, max, mean, max salary, minimum salary, average salary, what is the current month, select month, and all. Havings and all will be used for the filters and all. So like if you have multiple join query, if you are putting in that having count, job title greater than 1 and all, we will put. Then we have a change data type. So these all are the change data type temporary for use. So how we will change that. Then case statements are there. This is all are the case statement. If you want some multiple conditions which need to be added, the filters of based on the age and all, then we will use a case statement. Partitions by, if you have to partitions, then we will go for the partitions by the genders, female, males and all. So then we will go for the partitions and all. So we have multiple string functions also there which we have to use for the replace substring, upper, lower case and all. For that purpose we will use for the substring. We have a store procedures. So what all are the store procedures, how we will create a tables, what will be, how we will create a store procedures, how we will delete a store procedures, where to insert the tables, where to insert the data in that subqueries and all. So how we will create a subquery, query inside the query we will create a subquery with subquery with the partitions which have two partitions based on the salary, average salaries and all. So these all are the queries, subqueries and all. Now we will have a multiple join. So join, we have a inner join, outer join, self join, cross join. In outer join we have a left outer join, right outer join, full outer joins and all. So how we will use in the tables while we are fetching or inserting the details and all. Then how we will use a multiple tables. So this is the inner join. So common data will be fetched If you have outer joins or full outer joins, then all the data will be fetched. If you have a left outer join, so left and the common data will be fetched. If you have a right outer join, then right and common data will be fetched. So self join will single tables will be fetched like that. So we need to write the query, depends on the requirement, like all those tables and all. Now coming for the cross join, which will have a cross of the multiple scenarios from the two tables. What all are the scenarios will be possible, either a side, b side tables, or whole tables of a b, or only a b common data, so on. So for that cases we will use a full outer join. Now we have a multiples unions are there, like unions which will be add two tables. So union all will be there, insert intersects and all, then accept, and then we have a tables view. Like if you want to view the tables, how we will create a view for only for the view purpose, so no need to add modified and all. So for that cases we will use a temporary view, permanent views and all. So tables, duplicate datas and all. Now we have a SQL ranking. So how we will rank those particles, uh, salary based on the ranking of that salary based on the IDs and all. So we have a rank methods and all is there, multiples methods are there, these ranks are there. And so what is the difference between them, so this we will find out. So we have multiples others methods also is there, which is required while we are writing this query, we will fetch that. So these all are the basic of SQL query which we have. This interviewer will ask like how we will remove the duplicate record from this uh, tables, or how uh, replace this old string to the new string, pass the name of object name to object pies and all. So split by the delimiters, how we will split by the delimiters and all is null. Write a query to show the invoice number, the customer's number, names, invoice date, invoice amount for all the customer with the customer balance. Like that we have to fetch the query. If you understand, these all are the document which is interviewer will ask. Easily we will find all this based on the ranking, based on the row, based on the duplicate tables, based on the joins, based on the view, based on the many things, unions, partitions and all. So yeah, so these all are the related for the SQL related, which interviewer will ask about this. Yeah, thank you.